So finally, an internship video in the channel. Most of you are demanding regarding it. So it's a work from home internship opportunity. Here you'll be working on full stack development. It's a web dev. Okay. So here the criteria is that you must be undergraduate engineering student. Also, if you're not engineering students, you must be undergraduate in any of these discipline. Now coming to the next thing, what they're expecting for you from you. So they are expecting that you must be able to develop and maintain the web apps and UI. Apart from this, if any issues occurs, you are able to debug it and fix it as soon as possible. Apart from this, there will be a team. You can just collaborate with them and design innovative solution. Now, the requirements is that you must be having a bachelor degree in computer science or any related field. Means you can take part in it. Just try your luck. It will be better. Now you can just build a website. It's a very easy. You must be knowing about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and other frameworks also. So apart from this, knowledge of database is also required. So it's very easy. You can take help from the AI also, or you can learn it. Or everything is available free of cost on the internet. So just try it and give your luck. You'll be getting internship. You can see the shortlisting is started, and will be ending on 1st of February. So hurry up and just take part in it. The internship duration will be for a 1 month. Okay. Stipend will be disclosed very soon, means via email they will coordinate with you. And here are the working details. So how to apply? I've shared the link. You have to simply click on the link. Okay, click on this link and just take part in it. Quick apply. Here you have to enter your details, basically your college details, year of graduation, etc., mobile number, all the things. After that, you'll be notified via email. Apart from this, there are multiple challenges. If you want to take part in it, there are GFG challenge, Google Arcade challenge, multiple challenge you can take part in it. So this was a quick update. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.